Oh wow, look at that. It's bubbling up like a volcano. Crab stir-fried with black vinegar. Probably the only place in Thailand that serves this. How many years have you been open?
53 years old.
Is this the recipe you've sold from the start?
Yes, that's right. We sell it every day and have never changed the recipe. This Chinese carp has tender, sweet and delicious meat. We fry it and then make taro fish head soup.
They were among the first to introduce Fish Head Hotpot in our country. Wow, definitely fresh. The meat is firm, fragrant and sweet. The last time I ate at this place was almost 20 years ago. Their stir-fry style is very homey. It's a mix between Thai and Teochew, but the flavor is truly exciting. I'm here to check out another legendary restaurant in the Suan Mali area. Okay, hello everyone. Right now I'm at Club Plat Chai. This area is right in the Bangkok Chinatown neighborhood. There are food places everywhere around here, but today I'm heading to the Suan Mali area. And the restaurant I'm going to, let me tell you, used to be an icon of Suan Mali. If you come to Suan Mali, you have to know this place right away. The name of the restaurant might sound familiar, Tawee Chai Restaurant. Let's go check out the restaurant and see what their specialty is and why I have to eat there. Before we go, please help me out by liking, sharing and subscribing. Hit the bell to follow me and let's get going. Like I said, the place I'm going to today is Tawee Chai Restaurant. It's an old establishment. Back in the day, it was considered a famous restaurant in the same era as Nok Noi Restaurant. It was a dim sum restaurant with Chinese singers performing during the day. It's right next to us, right here. On my right, this very building. The building still retains its original structure. It's right here, directly across from the Suan Mali fire station. Are we going in there? This area is called Chaloem Ket 4 Road. Just turn in, and as soon as you enter the alley, it's just a little way in. You'll immediately see his new shop. But his old shop is right in front of me. It's less than 100 meters away. I'll take you to see it. But right now, this is his new shop right here. Now I've entered the Suan Mali arcade. It's all circular here. Back then, there were so many restaurants. Along the edges, there were all kinds of businesses. There's a huge parking lot in the back. I used to come here all the time. Back then, Tawee Chai's shop was right in this arcade. I'm here to see where his old shop used to be. Right now, I'm walking in a circle. All the shops have now been evicted. On the right, here it is. His old shop was right here, 2 units. Tawee Chai Restaurant has moved. The atmosphere of this place, you mean? Even though the name is Thai, they actually serve Chinese food cooked by Chinese people. Not the fancy kind with roast suckling pig or Peking duck, nothing like that. And the dishes were kind of unique, but really tasty. Okay, his old shop was right here. Let's head to the new place. It's not far from here. Just turn left and you'll get there. Go straight from the sign, and that's it. Let's go check it out. The shop is right here. From the old shop we just saw, it's only about 100 meters away. I've arrived at the new place now, Tawee Chai Restaurant. The last time I ate at this place was almost 20 years ago. I almost forgot about it, but then I remembered I wanted to come eat here and make a video. Just a couple of days ago, I was scrolling through social media and came across their shop. The owner has come up with a new menu item. I don't know if it's really new or not, but it looks absolutely delicious. Do you know what the dish is? Crab stir-fried with black vinegar. Just imagine, I've eaten all over the place, but I've never had this dish before. So let's do this. Let's go inside and see what it's like. Once you step inside, you know the atmosphere is unmistakably Chinese. Back then, if you visited the original shop, it wasn't this Chinese. It was just square tables and regular chairs to sit on. It looked just like any typical made-to-order restaurant from the old days. But now, honestly, when you come in, the place looks beautiful, modern, really comfortable to sit in. You can immediately tell it's got that Chinese restaurant vibe. That's just uncle style, really. Let's go talk to the owner of the restaurant.
Hello there. I'm Nok, the owner of Tawee Chai Restaurant.
Which generation are you?
Second generation.
How many years have you been open?
53 years old.
Originally, before this, I walked around to see the place I used to eat. Was that the first location?
Actually, in the very beginning, there weren't any buildings yet. It was all just shacks with a market in the middle, and there were fish heads everywhere, so many of them. Later on, when they built the building, we moved inside.
Back in those days, what menu item made Tawee Chai famous?
Actually, we started out with suki teawam, uncle. Just like Aotai in those places, we did the same thing. But at that time, sukiyaki wasn't popular. Fish heads were all the rage. So we started making fish head dishes too. Then we added more menu items like stewed pork tendons and other things. We had baked clams and things like that too. It became popular and we've been here ever since, up to now.
So which dishes from back then are still being sold today?
Fish Head Hotpot, Taro Fish Head Hotpot, stir-fried squid tentacles with stewed pork, oyster omelette and fried pork intestines.
4 dishes being made.
We sell them every day. The recipes have never changed.
And what about the dishes I came across, like the crab stir-fried with tangy black vinegar sauce, and also the stir-fried pork kidney with garlic? Are these new dishes or old ones?
Actually, these are original dishes we've been selling for 40 to 50 years already. It's just that they come around in rotation, that's all.
So will we get to eat them today?
Yes, absolutely. You'll definitely get to try them.
All right, let's go. Don't waste any more time. I'm hungry. As soon as we step into the kitchen, you can see they've already prepared everything. This is the head of a songhe fish.
Songhe Chinese fish.
Why is it that for the taro fish head hot pot, can we use other types of fish? I've noticed that many restaurants always use songhe. Why is that?
Actually, Chinese fish has a tender texture and the meat is sweeter and tastier. And in the past, everyone preferred it. Once it became popular, the name just stuck. Later on, some people started using grouper or sea bass, but that's a different story. But originally, it all started with Chinese fish.
It should be songhe. What are we going to make with this?
We'll fry this and make fish head soup with taro.
I've always wondered, can we skip frying altogether? Just slice it fresh and boil it right away.
You can. That's a different recipe, though. That's fish head soup with napa cabbage. For that one, you use fresh fish and just boil it. But this recipe is for taro soup. It needs to be fragrant, and when we fry it, the aroma is really nice.
Oh, the fragrance from frying. And the taro gets fried too, so it adds its own aroma. So what's the secret ingredient in the soup?
We have to add this, tipo, or dried sole fish.
I've mentioned many times that this tipo fish, it's a salted fish imported from Hong Kong. I don't know if they're tricking me or not. Tipo is delicious because these salted fish come from the ocean. They're not from the Gulf of Thailand, so they're firmer and have more muscle and all that. No matter what, it's delicious. So why don't we use our local salted fish, like salted gourami or king mackerel?
Oh, we can't because it has a unique aroma. If we use our salted fish, the soup will be too salty.
I can't smell.
Here's another thing. We add bateng, Chinese-style braised pork. Just add it right in.
Hey, the bateng is nice and crispy.
For the bateng, I bought 20 kilos of pork belly, but I only got 5 kilos of bateng out of it. All the fat in the third layer is already completely gone.
Next, add the taro. What are you being nosy about?
Banmo taro.
Banmo taro is the best taro in Thailand.
It's crumbly and fragrant too. Then add vegetables, Chinese celery, and ground galangal. Then pour in the broth and start boiling it.
Wow, look at that. It's bubbling up like a volcano. The traditional way is definitely more reliable, but stays hot longer and retains heat better. Nowadays, with the newer versions, sometimes they use alcohol or candles. It boils for just a moment and then the heat is gone. With this one, even after finishing the whole pot, it's still hot. Oh, it's bubbling away. I have to say, it really smells amazing. I can smell it from right here. Okay, so I'll go wait for Uncle at the table then. But there's still one more dish that Uncle wants to see. Because today, Uncle came here especially to eat this. Crab stir-fried with black vinegar. How many kilos is this?
About 600 grams.
Which crab, white or black?
White crab from Surat Thani. The meat is sweet and firm.
For this dish, is this a recipe you've been serving since the beginning?
Yes, but this dish has disappeared from the menu from time to time. People might go for crab curry or black pepper crab instead. So we decided to bring this dish back again. Because the flavour, the sour sauce, hardly anyone makes it, Uncle.
Yeah, I've never seen it before either. That's why I said today, you really have to try this dish. So what style would this be considered?
It's Teochew.
So where did Dad get the recipe from?
Actually, it started out as a basic Teochew dish. But he likes to visit cafes just like you do, Uncle. He'd go out and discover all sorts of things here and there. He'd just keep mixing this with that, adding things together. Then he'd test it out. If it tasted good, he'd try selling it to customers. If the customers liked it, we'd keep selling it.
This is like stir-fried crab with spring onions and chili, right? Oh, but the only difference is that the flavor is sour.
It's sour, and then we cut that with a bit of bird's eye chili, so there's a little bit of spiciness. Let me just add a bit of garlic.
I've eaten stir-fried crab with black vinegar all over, but I've never seen it anywhere else. This is probably the only restaurant that has this dish on the menu. Or if anyone knows where else this dish is served, let me know. I'll go try it myself. But for today, I'll eat here first. All right, thanks a lot, bro. I'm starving now. Let's go inside and wait for a bit. Okay, here it comes. This is just like what I ate 20 years ago. The food was pretty much like this style. It's a home-style stir-fry. And what brought me here is this dish. Crab stir-fried with sour sauce or crab with chick chow sauce. Let's see how it tastes. Let me try the sauce first. It's kind of like a scallion sauce stir-fry, but it has the sourness from chick chow sauce added in. And there are bird's eye chilies too, so it comes out a bit spicy. Here it is. Wow, definitely fresh. The meat is firm, fragrant, and sweet. I've never had crab cooked this way before. Usually we stir-fry crab with scallions. Crab stir-fried with garlic, crab stir-fried with curry and black pepper. But this one is a fusion, kind of like stir-fried crab with scallions, but with chilies and a hint of sourness from chick chow sauce. That's awesome. I really like this dish. And another must-try dish here, the one everyone says you have to order, is this one. Fish Head Taro Hotpot. The aroma of the soup is so fragrant. This pot, they say it's only 350 baht. But just the smell alone is already enticing. The wonderful aroma comes from the tipo herb, and then they add crispy pork bits as well. Plus there's the fragrant aroma of taro. And when you fry the fish, it tastes absolutely delicious. I have to say, this dish right here, it was one of the very first fish head hot pots in our country. As for the legend of the Fish Head Hotpot, one of the very first restaurants almost 100 years ago was Tang Chua Li. I've made a video about it before, and there were many other restaurants that followed. So this was the starting point for this dish. You really have to try it. If you come to this place, you must order their Fish Head Hotpot. As for this one, I saw it in my feed too, along with the crab dish. It's deep-fried pork kidney with garlic. At first glance, it looks pretty ordinary. But in the video, it looked really appetizing. Once I ordered it, I found it was actually fantastic, really delicious. If you're a fan of offal, you shouldn't miss this. Then here we have baked scallops with curry paste. These are huge, really big scallops. They're scallops with a thick curry paste. The curry paste is rich and fragrant, but not spicy. It's unusual, but tasty. This one is stir-fried beef with black pepper and red wine. It looks really appetizing. Like I mentioned at the beginning, the food at this restaurant is Chinese food, but there's also a bit of Thai influence mixed in. For this dish, I'd say it's really rich and tender with a nice aroma. And this is another one of their signature dishes, deep-fried intestines. Like I said, you can find this dish anywhere, but here they don't roll it up. They lay it flat and neat, fry it until crispy, and serve it with dark soy sauce for dipping. The intestine is thick, crispy outside, tender inside after frying. You can smell the wok in the frying oil. Suan Mali is one of the oldest food districts in Bangkok. Back then, there was no street food in Bangkok Chinatown, Bangkok yet. There was Suan Kwang Tung, Saffron Lek, and Suan Mali, just like Uncle mentioned. It was all tin-roofed shacks, packed with all kinds of restaurants. And this restaurant, it was already at the same spot back then. Behind the restaurant, there was still the Suan Mali Cafe. Back in those days, they called it a nightclub at night. It was a bar with women dressed provocatively, that kind of place. But nowadays, those things are gone. All right, let's eat. Back to the food. This is stir-fried string beans with chili and salt. They fry the string beans in oil until they're almost cooked through. Then they stir-fry it with chili and salt, just like that. This tastes really good. This one's great. The food at this place is a mix between Thai and Teochew styles. This is oyster omelet. Whether you like it or not depends on personal taste. It's one of the restaurant's original dishes. It's pretty good. It's the traditional Chinese-style oyster omelet. They add flour and eggs, making it fragrant and a bit cloudy, something like that. At this place, most of their dishes are known for their stir-fried Teochew style. The stir-fries are simple, but the flavors are bold, really tasty. It's an old-fashioned flavor that's easy to enjoy. So when I came to eat here, the owner told me, nowadays, everyone does this. Even Tawee Chai has these set menus. They're affordable. 6 dishes for just 1,500 baht. Fish Head Hotpot, oyster omelet, fried pork intestines, stir-fried water mimosa with chili, stir-fried squid tentacles with minced pork, and then stir-fried sea bass with spicy glass noodles. 6 hearty dishes, such a great deal, just 1,500 baht. I'll bring Auntie to try it out again next time. So today I consider myself as having come to take on another legendary restaurant in the Suan Mali area. This is an old restaurant that I've eaten at before. This place is really amazing. You should come and try it. Tawee Chai Restaurant. This meal was truly satisfying, enjoying these old legends. There are still many more restaurants to go, and I'll take you along. Thank you so much for watching this clip. And before we end, please help me by liking and sharing. Subscribe and hit the bell to follow me. See you again in the next video. Let's see where I'll go eat next. Thank you so much.